Hello. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a covered call on Tastyworks. And we're also going to look into how to set up the automatic take profit levels and how to actually close the position. So, a covered call is an options trading strategy that revolves around buying the underlying stock and selling an insurance to someone else against your stock. So for the purpose of this example, to get some more hands-on experience, we'll go to American Airlines, and the reason I'm going to choose this ticker is because I already have an open position in it that we will close together in the next couple of minutes. Now, for American Airlines, we first have to notice the price. The price right now hovers around $12.50, and what we're going to do basically is look at it from a two-step perspective. The first thing to be able to sell a covered call is to buy the underlying. So one options contract always has 100 shares of that company, of that underlying, of that commodity, whatever it is. So we're going to choose the expiration date for the contract right here. And on Tastyworks, nothing could be simpler. You just go right here, and where it says strategy, you have a lot of strategies to get through. But right here is short call, and it's covered. And we press go, and it will automatically put a default order for us that we can modify and adjust to our own tasting. Now, you can look right here. Our order has two legs. The first one is we are buying to open BTO 100 shares of American Airlines. And against it, we will sell, and I'm going to modify it so you can actually look for a more real example on how to do this. And I'm going to also tell you why I'm moving the option further from the price. We're going to move it to 15. So what we're doing, in the first step, we are buying 100 shares, and we're going to pay for those 100 shares the price that is shown right here. We're going to pay $1,250, approximately $1,250. Now, against those shares, because we will limit for the next 32 days, we will limit our upside potential. We're basically telling someone that, look, I will give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy my 100 shares of American Airlines at $15, no matter where the price is, for the next 32 days. So in exchange for that right that I'm going to sell to someone else, I'm going to collect a premium, which is, for this, is going to be roughly 40 cents, 38 cents. Now, what does that do for us? That decreases our invested capital. So basically right now, I'm buying shares at a lower price because I'm selling this option against it. So I'm buying this and I'm collecting the premium for the option. Let's go ahead and see some metrics on it. So the buying power efficiency, this is how much the broker will charge you for this transaction. Because it's covered, meaning that we have the stock to put up and fulfill the criteria for the contract, it's exactly our buying price. So it's 12.52 minus the premium collected. And that is right now $1,210. Okay, these metrics right here, this is probability of profit. This is the extrinsic value of the option. We can go into more details in a later video. The delta, which is equivalency in basically outright owning the stock. And the theta, which is the daily decay measured in dollars for the option we are selling. So what happens for our profits? Our profits, our max profit is easy to calculate. Our max profit is the selling price we agreed in the options contract minus what we paid for the stock. And that brings us to $290. That is our max profit. We can go ahead and click review and send. Look at the details for the commissions. So we'll have $1 for the options contract with a standard commission for Tastyworks. And we have the estimated fees, which is roughly 23 cents for the purchasing of the options. Now, I'm going to clear this and I'm going to take it to the open position because I already have this position and it's in profit. Voila. So, really quickly, how to set up the automatic take profits. You just click on the trade right here, anywhere you'd like. The legs of the position will pop up. Just click on both of them because you can actually just close one of them and leave one open. Click right here, right click, close position. You can outright close the position just here. You will be taken back to the trade tab and shown exactly what I discussed, but instead of doing buy to open stock and sell to open option, you'll have the inverse position. So basically, whenever you open a position on anything, basically, you will have either buy to open or sell to open. And in order to close it, you'll have to do the reverse action that you did to open. So if you had a buy to open, you will have a sell to close. So it's automatically selecting the inverse position of what I had. So basically shares back the stock in the market and it buys the exact contract back, so we're covered. And that leaves us with a max profit of $37. Just for the fun of it, I can actually click it, but before I do, I just want to go here and look at the other option. The other option is close profit, and I can set the percentage. And the percentage means 50% out of my max profit, that $290 we discussed earlier. So usually my personal close profit target is roughly between 50 and 60%. It actually depends on the strategy. Sometimes it can be as low as 25, but most of the times it's never more than 60%. And I usually just manage my positions close to 20 days to expiration. So this is how you set profit, close profit in advance. What does this do for you? It's simple. It just puts an order into the market at your desired price, and it just sits on it until the price is met. Whenever you get the price you want for the position you want to close, it automatically closes for you. That's about it. Just for the fun of it, we'll go ahead here and click close the position. If we get an automatic fill, we'll just let it fill. And we'll see right now. Let's see, it's working. Okay, so I don't get an automatic fill. I'll just wait on it, see if I get my desired price. If not, I will close the pending order and I will reanalyze and re-enter to another position or close it. So thank you for watching, and I hope it was revealing. Thank you.